18 when I came to Bombay. 19 की उम्र में
अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का,
तो लोगों ने मेरी शक्ल से देखी थी, तो लोग सोचते थे कि कोई बहुत बुजुर्ग आदमी है जिसने जिंदगी में धोखे ही धोखे खाए हुए हैं, इसलिए ये कोई गाना गाता है। मुझे ना अच्छा अभिजीत का गाना टन 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 टन, और मैं गा रहा हूँ मैं दुनिया तेरी छोड़ चला। मेरे को सारे सैड सॉन्ग लगते थे, लाश, कफन, दफन, कब्र, शमशान, बेवफा, हरजाई, फिर मैं कर रहा था कि यार कोई एल्बम अच्छा बाबा साइकिल एल्बम कर रहा है यार, निशा चुनाई कर रही है, नंदे भक्ति कर रहा है, मुझे कब गाने मिलेंगे ऐसे वाले। फिर मैंने राजू सिंह की पहली एल्बम बनाई और मैंने कहा ना आर्टिस्ट का जो होता है, हमारा फर्स्ट सॉन्ग था हमने एड्स पे बनाया था, पापा आई एम सॉरी इफ यू आर अवेयर, ये गाना बना था। वो गुलशन जी वगैरह बेचारे उस समय डीसी इतना था नहीं जैसे अभी हुआ पड़ा है ना, तो उस समय इतना हो नहीं पाया उस एल्बम का। फिर आया तू कब जानेगी तू कब ना, लगाओ ये आशीष के लिए, आशीष ये वर्ड आपका है।
हमारे पास नॉवेल्स का लाइसेंस
दिल रुबा कितना हंसी,
1 2 3 4
दिल रुबा कितना हंसी मेला, मेरे में भी ये दिल है अकेला,
उससे अच्छा नाचते हैं।
दुनिया जाने न जाने आज यहाँ, और तुझको पता तू ही मेरी लैला।
सारी अरेंजमेंट मैंने की थी।
ओ बीबा ओ हबीबा क्यों तू इतनी गुमसुम है, यहाँ लाखों है जहर पर लगता बस हम तुम्हें, और राती सारी खुशियाँ तेरे कदमों को चूमेगी, तेरी मेरी होगी जोड़ी यही दुनिया देखेगी, तू कब जानेगी तू जाने जाना तू मेरी महबूबा, सोचा नहीं सोचा तूने कभी, सोचा नहीं सोचा तूने कभी दिल रुबा, कब जानेगी तू मानेगी। Thank you so much.
He's been a very good sport. I remember way back in 2004, 2003 में विपुल जी ने कहा, हमारी टेली अवार्ड्स बन रही थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि हमारे पास बजट नहीं था। सोनू came within our budget and he also did a fantastic performance during the Telly Awards. Thank you very much for that. Really appreciate it.
थैंक्स करेंगे सब करेंगे, लेकिन अभी तो उनको रोकने का वक्त है क्योंकि अगला अवार्ड भी उन्हीं के नाम पे है। Yes, for the best song we have Sonu Nigam once again. Pashmi Hanuman
एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा आपको, ये पंजा जो है लेबल और उसका टूटने में बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी ना?
एक्चुअली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ना, तब तो गुलशन जी मुझसे बहुत सारे, हमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया ना। आई लर्नड मिड वे थ्रू, मैंने कभी विधिवत सीखा नहीं किसी से। गुलाम मुस्तफा खान साहब से मैंने 1 साल सीखा था, वो भी राग यमन का सूख रहे हैं। उसके बाद मैं अभी तक भी सीख रहा हूँ, मैंने अभी नया राग मारवा सीखा है। तो मैं सीखता रहा था क्योंकि बचपन में हमें ये सुविधा मिली नहीं थी। आज यूट्यूब में जाओ आपको सब मालूम पड़ जाता है, तो पहले हमें ये सुविधा थी नहीं, किसी गुरु के पास जाना पड़ता था, तो सीखा नहीं था। बट आई लर्न बिकॉज मैंने इतने वर्सेस गाए हैं, रफ़ी साहब के, मन्ना डे जी के, किशोर कुमार जी के, कवालियाँ, भजन, गज़लें, सेमी क्लासिकल, सब इतना उस प्रक्रिया में बहुत रियाज हो गया। फिर बाद में फिल्मी गाने तो बाद में आए ऑब्वियसली। तो आई वॉज विद पी सीरीज अर्लियर, फिर मैग्नस साउंड के साथ भी काम किया, फिर गुलशन जी की डेथ हो गई, तो फिर भूषण मेरे पास में आया, भाई हमारे लिए एल्बम करो, फिर मैंने उसके साथ भी काम किया। इट्स बीन अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी एंड अभी तो मतलब इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक का ऐसा टाइम है और आई एम सो हैप्पी आप ये कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इन लोगों को मोटिवेशन मिलता ही नहीं। अवार्ड्स मिलते हैं तो सिर्फ ग्लैमर को, बट ये टैलेंट लोग हैं, ये सिंगर्स, ये कंपोजर्स, लिरिक्स राइटर्स, ये टैलेंट है असली। मैं मानता हूँ कि किसी को बिन मांगे एडवाइस नहीं देना चाहिए। मैं एक बात सिर्फ कहना चाहता हूँ, थोड़ा अपने को ग्रूम भी रखना चाहिए और रियाज मत छोड़ना। जब आओ यहाँ पे तो थोड़े ऐसे कपड़े अपने पहन कर आओ, ऐसे आओ जैसे बाहर के लोग आते हैं ना। कैसे आते हैं लोग अपने अवार्ड फंक्शंस में, वहाँ की अडेल और ये लोग कैसे आते हैं, बियॉन्से कैसे आते हैं, अपने वालों को भी थोड़ा एक होना चाहिए, एक थोड़ा अपने आप को ग्रूम। अरे आप ये रॉकस्टार देखो, ये रॉकस्टार है। सो आप जब एकदम मतलब यहाँ पे यू आर सीइंग द ब्राइटेस्ट times of independent music. हमने कभी ऐसा टाइम देखा नहीं था. This is the time to make the most of it. God bless you. Hone your skills. खूब अच्छा गाइए, खूब अच्छा देखिए, अपनी personality को और दिखाइए. And I really bless you all. And thank you so much for this. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Sonu, for these kind words, and let's have a standing ovation for him, please. Come on.
Yes, Shreya
He's
Kumar.
broken out of the clutches of label, and he's actually become an independent artist now.
कहाँ इधर इधर अबे इधर पहले इनके साथ टच हाँ जी बताइए सुपर लग रहा है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे इतने अवार्ड मिले लेकिन ये हनुमान चालीसा के लिए मुझे अवार्ड मिला इतनी तारीफ़ें मिल रही है मैंने स्टेज पे भी कहा मुझे मैसेज दिया था गुरदास मान साहब ने सलीम के थ्रू कि सोनू को बोला कि जो हनुमान चालीसा कंपोज की है बहुत अच्छी कंपोज की तो एज अ सिंगर आई एम हैप्पी बट एज अ कंपोजर आई एम इवन मोर हैप्पी क्या गाऊँ दे दो अच्छा ये है मेरे 3 रतन 2 नहीं 3 कंपोजर आर्टिस्ट है सॉन्ग है श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनु मुकुर सुधारी बरनौ रघुबर विमल जसु जो दायक फल चारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार बाकी तो हनुमान 40 है तो वो उस पर 40 लगेंगे इसलिए इतना काफी थैंक यू सो मच नॉट थैंक यू
Yeah, so I got nominated for 4 categories this time. So music production for Gode Pe Sawar from Kala, music production for Shock also from Kala. Like it's got nominated in 2 categories. 2 categories for Shock also. Then there's Gode Pe Sawar from Kala, and the last one is my own song, which I released last year called Pehli Dafa. So I got the music composer nomination for that. Yeah, sure. जैसे कि अंबर से बूंदे बरसती है पहली दफ़ा प्यासे लबों पे उम्मीदें फिर जगती है पहली दफ़ा पेंचे नैनों के लगने लगे तुझसे जब पहली दफ़ा पल में लगने से लगने लगी दिल की ये आबो हवा It's really important because it's one of those awards that it's really recognizing the independent space as well. Not much is doing that for that category, so it gives you a boost, it gives you a lot of encouragement, so I think it's an amazing thing that Clef is doing right now. Thanks.
Being very nice, and I really appreciate the kind of initiative they have taken for doing for independent music. It's a beautiful feeling. Yeah, my son Sunny Subramanian has been nominated in the independent category music. I'm very happy because I am in the industry for almost 35 years. अभी तक मुझे chance नहीं मिला, and he's being nominated. Very happy.
Sorry, I don't speak very fluent Hindi. I'm very surprised, but I'm also deeply very, very happy that I've been nominated for these and I've won these. It really helps my musical career going forward. I was actually nominated for the same song. It's a violin piece that I recorded with my grandfather in New York. It's called Samaya Mide.
क्लेफ म्यूज़िक जो नए म्यूजिशियंस हैं, नए सिंगर्स हैं, उनको अवार्ड देने के लिए मुझे बुलाया गया और मुझे लगता है ये नए म्यूजिशियंस, नए सिंगर्स के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है उनको इनकरेज करने के लिए और उन्हें इस नई दुनिया में कदम रखने के लिए। तो क्लेफ अवार्ड्स के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को मैं थैंक यू कहूँगा और सारे नए म्यूजिशियंस को माय बेस्ट विशेस एंड माय ब्लेसिंग्स। Any award encourages anyone, any artist, when they receive the award, their responsibility, it's more responsibility to give good music. And when you receive an award, it inspires you to do more work and good work. So I think Clef Awards is definitely encouraging the new talent, and I'm here to present the award, give them the award, and to encourage and bless them. Thank you.
Yes, firstly, I'd like to thank Radio and Music for organizing this wonderful event. It's high time India experiences, a platform for independent music. And I'm glad to tell you that my song has been nominated for in the independent song category. It's a very different song. It's called Mallika, and it's a Hindi Goan song. It's a very rare combination. You'll never see this. It's a Goan Hindi song where the music is very Goan and the language is Hindi, and I have a lot of Goan words in it. And people don't know this language a lot in North India and many parts of India. So some words, some very key words in the Goan language, will go across India through this song. And I hope everyone enjoys this song. And I'm happy to be here at the Clef Awards. Thank you.
It's fantastic being here. I think this is one of the best attempt to respect and promote and give opportunity to alternative music. And kudos to Clef Awards. And I'm sure sooner or later this is going to be the most important award, not only in India, but from all over the world there will be entries. And congratulations to Anil ji and all the very best. And it's an honor to be there. The good luck. Namaste. Thank you so much. Thanks.
I feel great doing music, listening music, and spreading music all over the world. So it's a great opportunity and great platform, Clef Music Awards, that is doing for the independent artists. I guess it's very important because independent artist के like उस word में ही उसका meaning है कि he's independent. He needs somebody to support him creatively and musically. He can be whatever he wants and do whatever he wants to do. But I guess Clef Music gives a push to that artist, and that is what all the artists needs right now. That's it. Thank you.
It's a great feeling because I think in this country, music has always been a subset of the film industry. And it's a great thing where non-film music or independent music, as it is called, because it's not dependent on film music, is being recognized and is being awarded and rewarded, which actually gives a lot of impetus to the new generation of musicians, vocalists, and all artists.
So, sir, how important is just for the independent musicians?
I think in order to build a good, balanced ecosystem in the music industry, such awards which are outside the domain of the feature films, which form a very integral part of the DNA of our country, this kind of parallel ecosystem is very important, and hence I wish them all the best and more power to them so that they are able to fill in the big lacuna of non-film music that is in our country. Well, I've also been doing a lot of non-film music. Since COVID, I've almost done about 75 songs across various labels in an independent manner, not dependent on features. Also, some of my own stuff which I've released on my own. Currently, my film is scheduled to hit Netflix called Afwa with Nawazuddin and Bhumi Pednekar, directed by the stellar director Sudhir Mishra. So that's what's on my plate for now. Thank you.
I think first of all, Clef Music Awards and its entire team needs a great amount of appreciation and applause, because it is one of the awards which is for independent music, indie music as we call it. Because we have many awards in the country, but every award is very Bollywood centric or film centric. I think this award is going to help the artists of the country in a manner that at least they will now start getting recognition in the country. Well, independent music today is the future of our country, future for our artists, future for our musicians. Because independent music is actually like the independence that India achieved. We all became independent in India in 1947 and we all went mad. I think today is the time when the musicians, the singers, the songwriters will become crazy and mad, because now they have got independence. So they all should now embrace this era where they can come out with independent music of their own. They need not have to now depend on many people. Apna haath, apne saath. Thank you. Thank you.
Great. I mean, I'm really looking forward to everybody that's involved, and it's a great platform for independent music, so I'm very happy to be here.
So how important is Clef for independent
We need all the support we can get for independent music. I mean, there are a lot of platforms for all other kinds of music, especially commercial music. So it's great that there's a platform that's recognizing independent artists, independent musicians. So I'm very happy about it and looking forward to a lot more from Clef Music Awards.
Tell us about your upcoming work.
So I have a lot of projects actually in the making, but one that's really close to me is an album called Funk Dub, which is the second album that's going to be coming out, and also maybe a single from Rakesh Chaurasia and Friends. So looking forward to that. Thank you.
Well, I'm feeling very happy. Feeling very happy to see all these happy, shining faces here. And the occasion is a good one, so I'm glad to be here.
How important is Clef for the independent musician?
I think any award that honors independent musicians, that recognizes them, that encourages them is very, very important. And I think more and more such opportunities and platforms need to emerge for independent artists to find their voice, to find their support and their voice and their independence. Yeah.
Tell us about your upcoming work.
Well, I've just released a single called Shararat. I hope you all have all heard it. Suniye ki nahi? So yes, so I'm happy with the response of that, and then I'm working on a few more songs, and we are all artists. We keep doing something or the other. We keep working. I think that's Anusha trying to call me. Just give me a second. Yeah. Hi, I'm just giving the bite. I'm with Siddhant and I'm coming in. Yeah, I'm just giving the bites and I'm with Siddhant and I'm coming in. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Yeah. Hi, that's okay. बदलते मौसम ने फिर कोई शरारत. I'm too distracted. I can't do it right now. बदलते मौसम ने फिर कोई शरारत की. यूं मुड़ के देख लिया आपने कयामत की. Thanks.
I think that's probably the best day of my life. मैंने शुरू किया था पोइट्री लिखना और वो सफ़र 4-5 सालों में यहाँ तक ले आएगा, क्लेफ अवार्ड का नॉमिनेशन एंड फाइनली विनिंग द सॉन्ग. सो आई थिंक थैंक्स टू ऑलमाइटी, thanks to my wife Swapna and all the co-artists who participated in this song. Pandit Hariharan ji, Padma Shri Hariharan ji, Shubha Chaki, and my dear friend and arranger for the song, Aniket Huni. So, मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है. Still I have a goosebumps for winning this. So thank you very much, Clef, for promoting independent music, and then let all the independent artists show their talent to the entire world. So I think that's it from my side. Thank you very much. ये सॉन्ग है, हमने गज़ल की थी. आई कंपोज दैट गज़ल इन US शिकागो 2020 ड्यूरिंग कोरोना, और फिर उसके बाद मैंने कॉल किया हरी जी को, उनको सुनाया. देन आई कन्विंस्ड हिम कि आप अगर इसको अपने वोकल्स दे पाएँ, गा पाएँ. एंड मेरी किस्मत अच्छी थी कि ही अग्रीड टू सिंग दैट थिंग. तो ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत गज़ल है. इट इज़ रिलीज्ड ऑन सूफ़ी स्कोर, द बेस्ट सूफ़ी चैनल एट द मोमेंट इन पैन एशिया. तो आप लोग जाइए यूट्यूब पे, सर्च फॉर बेवफा, संग बाई हरिहरन और बाई कुमार अतुल, आपको वो मिलेगा. स्ट्रीम करिए, सुनिए, और शो सम लव टू द ब्यूटीफुल गज़ल एंड देन ऑल द आर्टिस्ट हु आर बिलोंगिंग टू द गज़ल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Good evening, everybody. To those who don't know me, my name is Rahul Rajkwa. I'm a history professor on weekdays and a singer on weekends. Yeah. I just feel like I have all the blessings of my students here today, so it really means a lot. You know, I came from a boarding school that was 6 kilometers off the main road and 50 minutes away from the closest town. We didn't have access to internet. So, and once they installed internet in our school, we had to use proxy servers to access YouTube. So I had 2 boys who were really good with the internet. So we used to hack into the internet at certain time in the night where we could access YouTube. And that was to my grandmother. Before she passed away, she said that, you know, you should do Assamese music, because growing up I was always listening to a lot of English music. I was touring abroad, but I could never really connect with my roots. So I want to dedicate this award to my grandmother, because, you know, she didn't get to like hear it because she passed away before that. But, you know, I feel like we've traveled so much with this song now. I have a K-pop collaboration now, which is crazy. I'm the only Indian artist to have like a feature on Spotify Korea, and even Indian Spotify hasn't playlisted me yet. Song out at least, and now every city I travel to, like, we've been to so many metro cities and we've made people dance to Bihu music. Like, it's amazing, man, seeing you guys dance to folk music from my village, you know, and that's actually the sound.
Thank you, Rahul, and congratulations.
Okay, so thank you, Clef team and jury members. It's been my honor. सबसे पहले तो मैं राजस्थान से हूँ, इसलिए सबको खमागणी. So it's been a wonderful experience. बहुत अच्छी शाम बीती है, और मैं जयपुर से सिर्फ इसके लिए आई हूँ आज, और राजस्थान का रंग और राजस्थान की माटी की खुशबू और बहुत कुछ लेकर आई हूँ मुंबई वालों के लिए. और जो मैंने काम किया है वो राजस्थान का फोक है, उसमें थोड़ा कंटेम्प्रेरी म्यूज़िक डाल करके फोक फ्यूजन है. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपेरिमेंट. एंड वंस अगेन क्लेफ जूरी और क्लेफ टीम को, क्लेफ अवार्ड्स को मेरा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जो उन्होंने मेरा गाना नॉमिनेट किया. थैंक यू सो मच. पार्डन? हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. You see, you know, coming till nomination also is as good as winning, and there is always a next time. And बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, बहुत अच्छा शाम ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है. एंड संगीत की दुनिया के बहुत सारे अच्छे कलाकार हैं, कंपोजर, सिंगर्स, एवरीबडी. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग. यस. हाँ, अर्पण फाउंडेशन जो कि मैं इनिशिएट कर रही हूँ, वो फोक आर्टिस्ट के प्रमोशन के लिए बहुत काम कर रही है. जब कोविड बिल्कुल हाइट्स पर था, तब उस वक्त भी बहुत सारे कलाकारों का जो मनोबल था वो बहुत कमज़ोर हो गया था. तो उनको थोड़ा आर्थिक सहायता और उनके लिए उनके मोराल को बूस्ट करने के लिए फाउंडेशन ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। लगभग 200 से 250 आर्टिस्ट तक उनके गांव में, उनके दूर दराज गांव में जा कर के अर्पण ने काम किया। अब हम जो दूसरा काम करने जा रहे हैं वो जो कलाकार, जो बडिंग आर्टिस्ट हैं, उनको स्टेज क्राफ्ट्स और उनको परफॉर्मेंस स्किल्स और उनको दुनिया के सामने लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो वो दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट है। राजस्थान को बिलोंग करती हूँ, इसलिए राजस्थान के फोक को मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो पूरी दुनिया सुने। थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। आई एम एन्जॉइंग इट। इट इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट नेटवर्किंग, मीटिंग ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट, द पैनल डिस्कशंस that happened today. It was a great learning for a lot of budding musicians, as well as it is very important to have such awards so that people are recognized for their work. So Clef is promoting independent music, and of course Bollywood is everywhere, but now when you see Spotify and other platforms, a lot of independent artists are doing extremely well on audio streaming platforms. So the award is a kind of a recognition for them. So I congratulate Clef Awards and Radio and Music. Thank you.
Feels really good. This is, after a long time, I'm getting recognized for my song. It feels so great because having Bollywood songs and having independent song, it's completely another feel. And being recognized for your own song, uska feel hi alag hai boss. And seeing all of the other independent musicians, it feels very overwhelming. But I feel blessed to be around all budding artists, and being one of them, I can just see the potential that independent music has. Being the composer, the music producer of the song Nimbuda, I really got to experiment a lot with Rajasthani music, Rajasthani folk music, and really modernizing it ताकि ये फोक जो मेन जो फोक म्यूज़िक है उसको थोड़ा और लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए। तो आई एम वेरी ग्लैड। सो कंपैरिजन मेनली यही है कि अभी एक तो लेट मी tell you guys, बॉलीवुड के अंदर आई हैव रिटन रिसेंटली गुमराह फिल्म का टाइटल ट्रैक, आई हैड रिटन द लिरिक्स टू, एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो sang the song Duniya. I sang the outro of that song, Pyar Di Rawa Hote, that bit. So I have been individually in different aspects. I have been working as a lyricist, as a composer, as a producer. So it feels really nice to create a song holistically, just take charge and really know what my voice is, and it feels really nice to work with very raw and pure art that is folk song. So I would like to thank Manisha ma'am for singing on my track, and Bundu ji. Both of them did a great job, and it's my privilege to be a part of it and create it.
This is Rahul Rajkhawa, and I feel amazing being at the Clef Music Awards. It feels amazing to be recognized for the work that you have put in for your music. और बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है. Yeah. So I just won the best regional song of the year, और ये Assamese song है. For the longest time, I have believed that Assamese folk music has been ignored in the Indian context of music. Bhangra music को बहुत popularity मिलता है, South Indian music को बहुत fame मिलता है, लेकिन Assamese music is equally vibrant and energetic. Our Bihu sound is loved by everybody, and I'm so glad that I got to bring it to the national forefront. और उस गाने की वजह से मेरे को आज award मिला है. So I'm super excited that my region is also finally getting some kind of recognition.
ৰাতি 12 বজাত কুলিকেতে কিয়ে জাননী দিলেহি আইতা বহাগী পালেহি বুলি ডাঙৰ মাই থাকিব নোৱাৰো ঘৰত ডাঙৰ মাই টোপনি নধৰে অ শুন তৰা দৈ এনেকৈ নেচাবা মৰম লগাকৈ চালে তোমাৰ চকুলৈ মৰম লাগে তোমালৈ চালে তোমাৰ চকুলৈ মৰম লাগে তোমালৈ Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah. I believe Clef Music Awards is super independent and it believes in independent musicians, does not conform to the standard mainstream music that everybody is listening to. And I feel that independent artists are constantly looking for some sort of validation or appreciation or acknowledgement. So when you have award ceremonies like this, it makes people believe that we also have something to aspire for, something to accomplish. So I think it's a wonderful initiative. They should give out awards like this every year, every now and then, so that every child coming from a small town in India has a dream and something to hope for कि अगर मैं म्यूजिक करूँगा तो मुझे भी कुछ appreciation मिलेगा and they will also look forward to pursue music as a career because everybody wants to win accolades, right? Yeah. Okay, so my upcoming work, I'm super excited about this. I just became the first Indian artist to have an independent collaboration with Korean K-pop stars. So my first song already released and I was the first Indian artist to get playlisted by Spotify Korea on 2 of their playlists. And it's very difficult because you don't even get playlisted in Indian Spotify. So I became the first Indian artist to do that. I'm super excited for this. I have an entire album coming out with an artist from a K-pop star. And in October, we're going to be doing an all India tour. So I'm super excited for that. So that's the next big project. It's called 6 Mile to Seoul because I'm from 6 Mile in Guwahati and he's from Seoul in South Korea. So yeah, that's the next big project. All right, cheers. Thank you guys.
Yeah, Hindi बोल रहा है, English बोल रहा है, हाँ, whatever you play, हाँ, yeah. I think it's a great platform, and to see so many independent artists being honored and celebrated, it's a fantastic platform. And considering the way the music is going ever since it was digitalized, I think it's a great initiative. And I'm really happy to be here and to see all the performances and honor the awardees and the nominees. So thank you so much. It was wonderful being here.
Sir, tell us about Lucifer Music and Lucifer Circus. You bought out the new music label now.
Yes. Well, I always was very interested in music. And I wanted to have a platform for independent artists. So that's why we started Lucifer Music, to empower the artists, to provide a platform, a little bit, whatever muscle we have to put behind the artists and the talent we believe in. So that's what we do. We signed artists and we're promoting independent songs. We released a single for Javed Ali and we're working with Shahid Malia. We released one for Jyotika Tangri. And we have Indeep Bakshi and Ray Sals, a lot of other guys. So really happy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Huh? And Namrata, Mishal, Namrata, they are the other ones. I'm just the face.
Please come now. Without you, nothing is possible.
Nahi yaar, you ask the team.
I'll get them. I'll get it.
Let Mishal also come then. We'll do it together. We'll do it together because I'm just standing there.
How does it feel today with Clef Awards?
So, I'll tell you, this is one of the most incredible feelings possible because, I have never seen an event which truly appreciates music like the artists do at this event right now today itself. We, dreamed of creating an institution that can felicitate all the genres of music, even the languages. आप गज़ल देख लो, आप फोक देख लो, आप हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल देख लो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक देख लो, रैप, पॉप, आप जो भी देख लो. आप लैंग्वेज में से आप मारवाड़ी से लेके मराठी से लेके तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़, मलयालम,
गुजराती भी है.
गुजराती भी. And we are so glad industry responded to us in such a celebratory manner and they participated heavily. हम लोग को इस बार 1000 से भी ज़्यादा एंट्रीज आए and we hope that we can continue to grow this success over the next few years and keep honoring to the truest faith the talent in the industry. This industry has music which is क्या कहते हैं भारत का म्यूज़िक. आपका एक ही म्यूज़िक नहीं है जैसे आप दूसरे देश में देखते हो. यहाँ पर 20 स्टाइल के म्यूज़िक है, इतने सारे भाषा है. हमारा भारत का जो म्यूज़िक है पूरी दुनिया भी देख रहे हैं आफ्टर डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड वी फील very happy that we could celebrate them together in one event, that is Clef Music Awards.
और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि यहाँ पे बड़े कलाकार भी आजकल अलग अलग जॉनर में जा रहे हैं। जैसे कि सोनू निगम साहब वापस स्पिरिचुअल और डिवोशनल में गए और उनके जो नए उन्होंने हनुमान चालीसा के ऊपर कंपोज किया है, बहुत उन्होंने अवार्ड जीते। और संजीवनी बेलांडे ने भी जीती बहुत अवार्ड्स। तो हमें बहुत खुशी होती है कि हम लोग जो कलाकार को एक नया जर्नी दे रहे हैं, हम लोग एक नया रास्ता दिखा रहे हैं। लेबल के साथ सिर्फ चिपके मत रहो, आप अपना इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक भी कर सकते हो। और ये जो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म आए हैं वो हर एक जन को अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा है कि अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करे, आप फ्रीली एक्सप्रेस करें।
हमने 22 साल पहले इंडियन टेली अवार्ड्स चालू किया था, टेलीविज़न के सारे कलाकार को ऑनर करके। तो अभी कुछ नहीं था, तभी सिर्फ फिल्म फेयर था जो फिल्म अवार्ड्स को करता था। इस बार हम लोग यही कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये म्यूज़िक अवार्ड से हर जॉनर, हर इंडस्ट्री को वही सेम रिकग्निशन मिले। उनको फाइनली जो अपने मेहनत के जो वो ने इतना मेहनत से जो म्यूज़िक बनाए उसको रिकग्नाइज करे पूरी इंडस्ट्री के सामने।
और हम बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं, हमारे जो ज्यूरी है, अलग इंडस्ट्री के सीनियर लोग आए, उन्होंने जजिंग किया और उन्होंने सही जो जिसको भी जीतना चाहिए, जो भी कलाकार को जीतना चाहिए, उन्होंने उनको ही जीतवाया। तो ये इंडस्ट्री के विदाउट द इंडस्ट्री दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल। एंड हमारा गोल है कि हमारा एक प्रयास है कि इंडिया से सिर्फ नहीं, हम ग्लोबली सब लोगों को ऑनर करें। और इस साल फिजी आइलैंड से एंट्री आई, एक फिजी भारतीय था जिन्होंने जीता इस साल। हमें बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारा जो रीच है इंटरनेशनली जा रहा है और भारत का जो म्यूज़िक है, भारत का जो संगीत है और भारत के जो कहानियाँ हैं, कविताएँ हैं, दुनिया भर फैल रही है। ये दिस इज़ इंडियाज़ डेकेड। द नेक्स्ट 10 years are going to be India's decade. And म्यूज़िक जैसे कि के-पॉप ने कोरिया को पॉपुलर किया, हमारा जो भारतीय संगीत है वो भी पॉपुलर करेगा हमारे देश के अलग अलग जो भी हम लोग।
अगर के-पॉप पूरी दुनिया में राज कर सकता है, हिंदुस्तानी म्यूज़िक भी, भारत का म्यूज़िक भी पूरी दुनिया में राज कर सकता है। That's simple.
शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
Oh, I feel amazing. This is my first time at Clef, and the way I was witnessing the artists who have been working in their the regular life, creating music out of nowhere, independent music. उन सभी को बहुत अच्छा एक encouragement मिल रहा है. I'm so glad that this is specifically for music and mainly focusing on independent artists who've been working without knowing a future of that song. Today they have a very beautiful place, a platform which encourages them if they reach out with their own platforms, which is like Spotify and all of that. So I think it's a great collaboration, and every artist is going to have more and more opportunities now to create music, and sky is the limit.
So your award, you have your songs have won awards.
Correct. So I have won Best Composer and Best Song in the cinema category for my song called Lakire, which is a Hindi song and a Hindi album. This is for a film called Lakiro, which is in Gujarati, and we did this album in 2 languages, which was in Gujarati as well as Hindi, and I'm very glad that I got to compose it, and this album has great artists singing for me, people like Amit Trivedi, Vishal Dadlani, Shilpa Rao, Benny Dayal, Shalmali Kolkare, Shruti Pathak and myself, and lovely artists, musician friends and everybody who have been a part of creating this musical journey with me. So I'm very glad that Clef recognized this thing. I had received good love from the audience, and today this is another piece of encouragement that I'm very happy with. Thank you. तेरी मेरी राहें और ये निगाहें आज कह रही जैसे लकीरें कहे तेरी मेरी लकीरें. The entire album is out on all the platforms and YouTube as well, and thank you so much once again, Clef. Thank you.
Tell us about your upcoming work.
We've been working on, I've been working on multiple singles as well as a couple of movies that I'm working with. It's in Hindi and also in my regional language, which is Gujarati. It has been a great journey where there was a time when Gujarati music, youngsters did not like the language. They used to prefer singing in Hindi and other languages. It's been a great journey that now youngsters are happy to listen to the music in my own mother tongue, and people are using those songs, consuming those songs, keeping them as their playlist and caller tunes and all of that. So it's a journey of past 10 years that we've witnessed, and I'm doing music in my language as well as Hindi and sort of thing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I won't be able to sing.
So what do you want me to say?
I'll ask you after being at Clef.
Okay.
Your song has won what you tell us about it.
Okay. So should I start?
Yeah, I'll ask. Ready? So how do you feel being at Clef Music Awards?
Honored. This is Sheetal Chandra Kulkarni. I have won the award as the best guitar player for my song Run for Cover from my album Endless. I won the nomination as the best instrumental song again for Run for Cover. I couldn't win it last year. I was a little disappointed. So I made my submissions again, kept my faith, and here I am today winning the award as the best guitar player for my song Run for Cover from my album Endless.
So how important is Clef for independent music?
Very important. I think it's a big recognition for independent industry. It's an inspiration for artists like us who gives us and more incentive to work in this more, in the recording industry to promote our work, to get it in front of the audience so that we can do more and so that we get an inspiration to work more and showcase our talent, whatever we have. Second half and third half of my album called Endless again. Thank you so much.
Hi, hello. I am Rumpa from IPRS. It's wonderful to be at the Clef Music Awards because one place where the creators get their due recognition. From IPRS, we have been always striving to get the due credit, the acknowledgement and the appreciation for the creators of music. Because when you hear a song, the song is the final thing that comes to you. But under a song, there is the lyrics and the composition, and there's an artist who is creating it. But many a times we forget to kind of find out who the writer is or who the creator is, who the composer is. So this place where independent music is being appreciated, an independent artist is a writer, is a creator, is a singer, is a performer, a multi-talented person. So they need a lot of encouragement, motivation, and people should come out and appreciate them. And I'm so glad that Clef Music Awards is doing it. And IPRS as a society, as a body, will always be supporting such kind of initiatives. Thank you. And one message to the independent artists, please, while you're focusing on your creation, please don't forget to focus on the business side of things also, because you're independent. You are not with somebody else who will be your godfather. So being an independent artist, being independent in the music community, in the vast industry, you have to take care of your creation. That is your property, and you must not let it go away from you. Thank you so much.
So the most beautiful part about Clef Awards is that it honors, recognizes the artists who have been constantly, relentlessly have been working towards actualizing their music. And हमारी इंडस्ट्री, हमारी जो म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री, जो फिल्म म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें काम तभी होता है when you're commissioned. But independent music is what you do when nobody is watching you. And Clef Music recognizes those efforts. And not every day an artist is able to trend their music, not every day they get their numbers, but they still make music for their love for it. And Clef Awards is one institution that awards and recognizes these musicians. So it's truly an honor to be recognized by the same body. And yes. So it's I won the best song for Avasant Rajni. It's a classical based song, Hindustani classical music based song, and the lyrics are by late poet Mahadevi Verma ji, and it was my effort to create a nostalgia of light classical music coming together with the sound of all India radios of the 70s, 80s. So when you listen to the song, it will sound like an old radio. And I'm really thankful to the jury and the award for recognizing this song. धीरे धीरे उतर क्षितिज से आ वसंत रजनी ओ आ वसंत रजनी. Thank you so much.